Every day is a new chance for you to slowly and calmly improve your English and build your confidence step by step. And when I talk to you today, I want you to imagine that I am sitting with you in a peaceful, quiet room, speaking gently in simple, clear English so your mind feels relaxed and open and you do not feel pressure, because learning English is not a race. It is not a competition. It is not something you must finish fast. Learning English is a daily habit, a simple practice you repeat again and again until it starts to feel natural and comfortable inside your mind and inside your voice. And the most powerful thing you can do for your English is consistency, even small consistency, even tiny daily actions, because your brain learns through repetition. And the more gently you repeat something, the more easily it becomes part of you. And this is why 5 minutes a day is more powerful than 2 hours once a week, because your brain prefers small, steady drops of English instead of big, heavy study sessions. So if you want to speak confidently, you need to bring English into your day again and again in soft, easy ways, without stress, without fear, without feeling guilty or frustrated. And when you wake up in the morning, you can listen to a simple English audio, or maybe you can repeat a short line to yourself, something like, "Today I will speak with confidence," or "I am improving every day," or "I trust my voice." And these small sentences do something special inside you. They prepare your mind for learning, and they remind you that growth happens slowly and gently. And every time you repeat something, your voice becomes a little more familiar with English. And every time you listen, your ear becomes stronger, and your ear controls your speaking more than you know, because when your ear understands the sounds, your mouth learns to copy them more naturally. So daily listening is not just passive. Learning it is active brain training, and even when you understand only 50%, your brain is still absorbing patterns, rhythms, sound, and flow, and slowly those patterns become part of your speaking. And one day, you will say something smoothly without thinking, and you will realize that daily listening made your voice confident without forcing it. And another powerful daily habit is speaking, even if it is small, speaking even if it is simple, even if it is only with yourself, because speaking is practiced, and practice creates confidence, and confidence comes from using your voice, not hiding it. And I know sometimes you feel nervous or shy, or you think people will judge you, but remember, nobody becomes confident before speaking. People become confident by speaking, and the only mistake is not trying. Mistakes themselves are not a problem. Mistakes are steps forward. Mistakes are teachers. Mistakes are proof that you are learning. And when you allow yourself to speak without fear, you unlock a level of growth that books and grammar can never give you. And you can practice by shadowing, which means repeating what you hear immediately. Copy the sounds, the rhythm, the speed. Copy like an echo, and this trains your mouth like an athlete trains muscles. And the more you repeat, the smoother you become. And another simple daily habit is thinking in English. But thinking does not mean building big, long sentences. Thinking can be tiny, small thoughts like, "I am opening the window," "I am drinking water," "I am checking my phone," "I am cooking food." Small thoughts create big changes because they train your brain to switch languages automatically, and automatic switching creates natural confidence. Because when your brain stops translating, your mouth becomes free and your sentences become smoother and you feel less stuck. And another gentle habit is reading, but choose reading that feels light. Choose reading that feels friendly. Do not read things that make you stressed. Read short stories, read subtitles, read small articles, anything that gives you easy exposure to simple vocabulary, because enjoyment helps memory, and when you enjoy something, you remember it better and you learn faster. And another important part of daily English improvement is repetition. Repetition is your hidden superpower, because repetition builds strong memory, repetition builds mouth flexibility, repetition builds speaking rhythm. And when you repeat a sentence 10 times, your mouth starts remembering the shape and sound of the sentence, and slowly speaking becomes automatic and natural. And another habit is using English in small daily tasks, like writing your shopping list in English, or setting your phone language to English, or telling yourself out loud what you are doing. These small actions may seem simple, but they build strong long-term growth, and they increase your confidence one tiny step at a time. And remember, fear is normal. Everyone feels fear when learning a new language. Fear of mistakes, fear of judgment, fear of being slow. But fear is only a feeling, not a fact. And when you practice daily, even with fear, the fear becomes smaller every day, and your courage grows stronger. Because courage is not the absence of fear. Courage means doing it even when fear is present. And if you practice courage daily, your speaking will rise, your confidence will rise, and your comfort will rise, and you will start noticing small, beautiful improvements Maybe you understand new words, maybe you speak without pausing, maybe you feel less nervous. These small improvements are signs of big changes happening inside your mind, and you must celebrate them. Celebrate small wins. Celebrate slow progress, because slow progress is still progress, and the truth is real improvement does not happen in sudden jumps. Real improvement happens quietly in the background of your daily routine, and one day without warning, English feels lighter, it feels calmer, it feels easier, and that moment comes only when you stay consistent and gentle with your practice. And I want you to imagine yourself 3 months from now speaking more smoothly, 6 months from now speaking with more confidence, 1 year from now speaking comfortably without fear. And this future version of you is real and possible and waiting for you, but it begins with your small actions today, your 5 minutes, your 10 minutes, your tiny everyday practice, and your patient heart. And English grows best when you practice in peace, not pressure. So be kind to yourself, be soft, be gentle, be understanding. Do not compare yourself with others. Your journey is your own, your speed is your own, your growth is your own, and every day you show up, you become stronger, and every day you repeat, you become smoother, and every day you listen, you become more confident, and slowly English becomes part of your life, like a natural habit, like brushing your teeth, like drinking water, like checking your phone. And I want you to trust that you are improving even when you cannot see it, because your brain is learning, your ear is learning, your mouth is learning, your confidence is learning, and one day soon you will speak and the words will flow, and you will feel proud of yourself. Proud of your effort, proud of your patience, proud of your journey, and that day will come because you are already moving toward it step by step with every small daily action. And all you need to do is continue gently and trust the process, because your future confident English speaking self is already on the way.